Welcome to the world of digital advertising, where AI is transforming the way brands connect with their customers. In this video, we will explore how AI powers ad campaigns and why it matters. Google Ads AI offers innovative features that enhance ad performance, focusing on precision targeting and real-time optimization. Meta Advantage utilizes AI to optimize ad placements and enhance user engagement, making it a powerful tool for advertisers. Let's compare Google Ads AI and Meta Advantage based on cost effectiveness and return on investment. Which one delivers better results for your money? We'll take a look at real world case studies where businesses have thrived using AI driven campaigns on both platforms. Here are some best practices to ensure your AI powered campaigns yield maximum success. What does the future hold? Let's discuss the trends and predictions for AI in advertising as we look toward 2025. While there are tremendous opportunities, we must also address the challenges and ethical considerations surrounding AI in advertising. In conclusion, AI powered ad campaigns present a world of opportunities for marketers looking to make their mark and maximize their returns.